everyone, welcome back to the VAIR platform and YouTube channel. If you are new here, then myself Prashali, I am your quantitative aptitude coach, and today I am excited to share few tricks of the average topic. Average is the topic of the arithmetic, and which is the most important topic for all kind of the exams. In exam, you can definitely expect a question from this topic. So these tricks are really going to helpful, and you will find out this video valuable. But before diving, I really want to take a moment to thanks to all for all your likes, for your comments, for your share, for all your support. Thank you so much. And make sure to stick around until the end as we are going to discuss the 10 tricks and all are important as the exam viewpoint. So obviously you won't want to miss them. So, and if you have any doubts or any questions regarding anything, then please don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section. And now we can start. We can jump towards the video. So let's start. As I said, this is the topic of the average. So we will discuss the 10 tricks, 10 most important tricks. And this is your first part of the average topic, in which we will see the natural numbers. If those are the natural number, then what is the average of those numbers? If those are the consecutive numbers, squares of the numbers, cubes of the numbers. So there are different tricks. So let's directly jump to the tricks now. First trick is here. Average of first n natural numbers. This is your simple formula of the average. And what does it say? Let's see. Yeah. Average of first n natural number. First n natural numbers means which are those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to the n. For those average will be what? N plus 1 by 2. That means suppose I have to find out the average of 2, 1 to 6. Okay. If I have to find out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So average will be what? N means 6 plus 1 divided by 2. That means 7 by 2. So average will be 3.5. Suppose I have to find out the average up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Your average will be n means 9 plus 1 divided by 2. 10 by 2. That means your average will be 5. So whenever there are the first n natural number, first n natural number means which are starting with the 1 and so on up to the n. So whatever is the last term, you have to add plus plus 1 by 2, that means 51 by 2, which will be equal to 25.5. If I asked you what is the average of first 100 natural number, what will be the average? You will simply add 100 plus 1 by 2, that means 101 by 2, so it will be equal to 50.5. So similarly, there is a question for you. What is the sum of first 20 natural numbers? You have to answer in the comment section. What will be the average of first 20 natural number? Okay, this is your first question. So answer in the comment section. And now let's jump towards the second trick. So here is your second trick, and this trick is for what? Average of consecutive natural numbers. Consecutive natural numbers means it is not necessary that those are the 1, 2, 3, 4, but it should be consecutive. It can be like a 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, or it can be like a 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. It can be like a 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54. Consecutive numbers means if you see the difference between these numbers is a same. Difference should be same. This difference is a 7, so difference should be same. Then we call those as a consecutive natural number. For this one, what is the trick? First term plus last term by 2 means from 3 to 18, you will take a 3 plus 18 by 2. That means 21 by 2. So average will be 10.5 for this. Similarly, for this 7 to 35, your average will be what? 7 plus 35 by 2. 7 plus 35 by 2, that means 42 by 2. So average will be 21. Similarly, for this one, from 9 to 54, you will take a first term plus last term. That means 9 plus 54 by 2. What will it be? So 9 plus 54 by 2, that means 63 by 2. And 63 by 2 will be equals to what? 31.5. 5. So simply we just have to take a first number plus last number by 2. So this, for this trick, you have one homework, and that one you have to answer in the comment section for the second. So question number 2 is here. You have to find out the average of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So you have to answer what will be the average of this in the comment section. Okay. Answer in the comment section. This is your second trick. I hope you understood this second trick. Now let's jump towards the third trick. Trick number 3 is what? The average of first and consecutive even natural number. Even natural numbers means what? Those will start with the 2 and those should be the even number. First and even natural number. So what will be those? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. For this one, trick is a n plus 1. That means if I take a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to the 12, there will be n will be 6. So average will be what? Average will be n plus 7. That means 6 plus 1. So average will be 7 for this 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. If you take suppose only up to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, that means 5 terms are there. N is equal to 5. So average will be n plus 1 means 6. So if I take a 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14, 16, 18. So you can see there are the n terms. N is equal to 9 terms. So average will be equals to what? 9 plus 1 means 10 will be the average. So this is what the trick for the even consecutive even natural numbers. Those should be first and consecutive natural number. If you are taking a 5 terms, average will be 6. If you are taking a 6 terms, average will be 7. If you are taking a 20 terms, average will be 21. That's it. Okay. Now let's see the trick number 4, and this is the similar, but here we will find out for the odd number instead of the even number. So average of first and consecutive odd natural number. Odd natural number means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Suppose if I took this number, so what will be the average? Average is equal to n. So what is here for this one? Average is n. We have taken a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So average will be 7. If I took a 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. What will be the average here? N will be equals to average. So average will be what? Up to this it was a 7, 8, 9, 10. So average will be 10 year. So if I asked you what is the average of first 30 odd natural number, first 30 odd natural number, average will be equals to what? Natural number, average will be 30. Whatever is the n, that is the average, because n is the average. Okay, so this is your trick number 4. I hope you have understood this trick number 4. Now let's jump towards the trick number 5. So now the trick number 5, in the trick number 5, the average of square of first n consecutive natural numbers. That means we have seen for the all natural numbers, but now we will find out the square of the natural number. Like for the 1 square, 2 square, 4 square, up to the n square. So if I have to find out, suppose average of first 10, average of square of first 10 natural number. Square of first 10 natural number. That means my n will be 10. At that time, what will be the average? Like a 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, up to the 10 square. Average will be equals to what? N plus 1, that means 10 plus 1 into 2n plus 1, that means 2 into 10 plus 1, divide by 6 will be there. So what will it be? 10 plus 1 is 11 into twice of 10 means 21, divide by 6. So 3 2s are 3 7s are. So it will be equal to 77 by 2. That means it will be equals to what? 38.5. So average of square of first 10 natural number will 10 square of first 10 natural number will be equals to 38.5. Suppose I have to find out the first 5 only. So what will it be? First 5 terms means 5 plus 1 into 5 2s are 10 plus 1 whole divided by 6. That means 5 plus 1 is a 6 into 10 plus 1 is a 11 whole divided by 6. 6 will get cancelled. Your answer will be 11. Is it? Like suppose 1 square plus 1 square is a 1 plus 2 square is a 4, 3 square is a 9, 4 square is a 16, 5 square is a 25 whole divided by 5. So what will be the sum? 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 20 is a 30. 30 plus 55. 55 by 5 will be 11. So you can cross check like this. So you have to find out, means you have get the trick that for the square of first and natural number, your answer will be, average will be n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. So your homework is here, means you have to answer in the comment section that what will be the average of square of first 7 natural number, first 7 consecutive natural number. You have to find out and you have to answer in the comment section. Okay, I hope you have understood this trick. Now let's jump towards the trick number 6, which is again based on the square, but here we will find out the average of square of first n even natural number. Even natural number means what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, up to the n. But what I'm saying here, there are the squares. So square of these numbers. So suppose if I have to find out the first 8 terms means what will it be? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. These are the first 8 terms. So what will be the average of it? So we will simply put the values in. 2 into n plus 1 means 8 plus 1 into 2 into 8 plus 1 whole divided by 3. So 2 into 8 plus 1 is a 9 into 8 2s are 16 plus 1 is a 17 whole divided by 3. 3 1s are 3 3s are. So what will it be? 17 3s are 51. 51 ka double will be 102. So average will be equals to 102. If you take a first 5 terms only, 2 to 10, suppose 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, n is equal to 5, then what will be the average? 2 into n plus 1 means 5 plus 1 is a 6. Then 5 2s are 10 plus 1 is 11 whole divided by 3. 3 1s are 3 2s are 11 4s are 44. So this one will be your average. This is the trick for the average of square of first n even numbers. Then the next trick is for the average of square of first and odd numbers. Odd numbers means 1, 3, 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square, and 9 square, 11 square, up to the n square. Your average will be 4n square minus 1 divided by 3. So what will be the average of square of first 7 odd numbers? Suppose if I took a 7 odd number, what will it be? 4 into 7 square minus 1 whole divided by 2. Whole divided by 3. So 7 square is a 49. 49 into 4 minus 1 whole divided by 3. 49 4s are will be what? 54s are 200 means it will be a 196 minus 1 by 3. That means 195 by 3. So what will it be? 3 6 are 18. There is a 1 3 5s are 15. So your answer will be 65 for the first 7 odd natural number. Square of first 7. If you have to take a first 5, you will take a 4 into 5 square minus 1 whole divided by 3. So 5 square is a 25. 25 4s are is a 100. 100 minus 1 by 3 means 99 by 3. So your average will be 33. Getting it? So if your n is a 5, n is a 7, n is a 9, n is a 4, n is a 6. Suppose n is a 6. What will you do? 4 into 6 square whole minus 1 whole divided by 3. So 6 square will be what? 36. 4 into 36 minus 1 by 3. 36 4s are will be what? 4 6 are 24, carries a 2. It will be 144 minus 1 by 3. That means 143 by 3. So it will be in a points. 3 4s are 12. There will be 2. 3 7s are 21. Again, there will be 2. 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18. So average will be almost near to 47.6667. That will be the average. So I hope you understood this trick. It will save your time. Otherwise, you will have to add 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square plus 7 square plus 9 square plus 11 square, and it will be too much lengthier. This was your trick number 7. Now let's go for the trick number 8. This is for the cube one. Average of cube of first n natural number, which is equal to n into n plus 1 bracket square divided by 4. Like cube 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube plus 6 cube. Suppose here n is equal to 6 here. So what will be the average? 6 into 6 plus 1 bracket square whole divided by 4. That means 6 into 6 plus 1 is a 7. No? Sorry for this. For the 6 plus 1, right? Yeah. So it will be a 6 plus 1 bracket square. That means 7 ka square divided by 4. That means 6 into 49 by 4. 2 2s are 2 3s are. 49 3s are will be what? 147 divided by 2. 2 7s are, and there will be 2 3s are. 73.5 will be the answer. So if you add 1 cube plus 2 cube, that means 1 plus 8 plus 27 plus 64 plus 125 plus 216 whole divided by 6, you will get the answer as a 73.5. If you take suppose first 4 terms, so what will it be? 4 into 4 plus 1 means 5 square divided by 4. 4 will get cancelled. Answer will be 25 for the first 4 terms. If n is equal to 4, average will be 25. If your n is 8, then you will do the 8 into 9 square by 4. Suppose first n, average of the first 8 natural, cube of the first 8 natural number. So you will take a 8 into 8 plus 1 means 9 square by 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are 81 into 2 will be 162. This will be your average. That's it. I hope you have understood it now. And again, there is a one more question for you which you have to answer in the comment section. So you have to find out the cube of first 10 natural numbers. You average of cube of first 10 natural number. This is your homework and you have to answer in the comment box. Okay. Now let's jump towards the next trick. Again, it is on the based on the cube, but we will find out only for the even natural number. Even natural number means like a 2 cube, 4 cube. Okay. It's like a 2 cube, 4 cube, 6 cube. Sorry, these are the numbers. 8 cube, 10 cube, 12 cube. Suppose these are the numbers. And in this one, what will you do for this one now? How will you find out? There is the formula for this average of cube of even natural number. Formula is a 2n into n plus 1 bracket square. Suppose if I have to find out for the first 8 natural number, first 8 even number. Which are the first 8 even number? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. These are, and I have to find out cube of all those and their average. So for the 8, you will substitute value here 2n into n plus 1 bracket square. That means twice of 8 into n plus 1 means 9 square. So what will it be here? 8 twos are, sorry, 2 into 8 into 9 square is a 81. So what will it be? 2 into 81 into 8 will be 8 ones are 8, 8 eights are 64. Then this one will be what? 2 eights are 16, carries a 1, 2 fours are 8 plus 1 is a 9, 2 six are 12. So this will be the average. Otherwise, you will add 1 plus 8 plus 27 plus 64 plus 125 plus 216. Sorry, 2 square, 4 square, that means 8 plus what will it be? 8, then 64, then 216, then 524, 1000 and so on up to the 16, and you will add all of those, divide by 8, then you will get this answer. So if I need an average of cube of first 4 even natural number, for example, n is a 4. So what will be the, how will you substitute? 2 into 4 plus 1 means 5 ka square. 2 into 4 into 25. 25 fours are 100, 100 twos are 200. So your answer will be 200. And now let's see the last trick of this video, and this is the average of cube of first and odd natural number, which means it is similar to the previous one, but we will take the odd numbers only. That means 1 cube, 3 cube, 5 cube, 7 cube, 9 cube and so on up to the n. Suppose I have to find out for n is equal to 5. So my formula is what? N into 2n square minus 1. That means 5 into twice of 5 square means 25 minus 1. So what will it be? 5 into 50 minus 1. That means 5 into 49. So it will be equals to what? 5 nines are 45, carries a 4. 20 plus 4 will be 245. So this will be the formula. Suppose I have to find out for the 10 numbers, you will take a 10 into twice of 10 square, that means 100 minus 1. So it will be 200 minus 1 means 199 into 10. So it will be equal to 1990. For the 10, 10 square is 100, 100 into 200 minus 1 is a 199. 199 tens are 1990 for the first 10 odd natural number. So this is all about the average tricks, and I hope you have understood this video, you have enjoyed it. If you are like it, then please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much. See you again in the next part. Bye bye. Take care and stay safe.